Anne.
Good day, world, she's Lian. And it's time for the Eyes on the News. Today's headline, HIV scares coming to town. Have you heard the story about infected HIV person?
Yes.
There's a woman from Trinidad revealed her story how she was infected with HIV. Really?
How brave she is.
Let's watch this interview from this brave woman.
I was diagnosed with an HIV. I was infected when
So, how did you know you were infected with HIV?
I was actually planning to go abroad to work as an OFW. But my medical examination shows that I'm an HIV now.
So, what did you do then?
At first, I was confused. I was keep on thinking that how, where, or when it happened. The people judged me, and my friends pushed me away like I'm not a human. But I'm glad that my families and friends are still there. They make me realize that life is beautiful.
So, did you get treatment?
They said there was no cure, but I consulted a physician and now I am undergoing antiretroviral therapy.
That was a brave revelation. How is Anna's story related to HIV? We'll find out after a short commercial.
Ito ang bisa-bisa. Ito ang bawas-labas. Paris ng Paris. Huwag maglinis, huwag maglinis. Ito na. Hot mama. Nandito na, nandito na, nandito na, nandito. Hot mama, hot mama, hot mama, hot mama.
Doc, how did Anna acquire HIV?
Good day, everyone. So, Anna acquired HIV through blood transfusion.
Doc, how can HIV be transferred?
Semen, vaginal discharge, and won't you believe that breast milk have been shown to transmit infection to others.
Doc, can an HIV-infected person transmit the virus by just using his clothes or talking to him?
There has been a wrong notion that HIV can be transmitted via non-living things, sharing of equipments, and talking to someone infected. HIV cannot be transmitted through sharing of utensils, sharing of equipments, shaking of hands, and sharing of toilets.
Doc, working with an HIV-positive person involves low risk?
Yes, as long as they take extra precautions when handling needles with blood as if they are infected with HIV.
Thank you, Doc. Another story will be heard after the short break. We'll be right back here on the Eye on the News.
Targeting HIV replication. The replication of HIV-1 is a multi-stage process. Each step is crucial to successful replication and is therefore a potential target of antiretroviral drugs. Step 1 is the infection of a suitable host cell, such as a CD4-positive T lymphocyte. Entry of HIV into the cell requires the presence of certain receptors on the cell surface. CD4 receptors and co-receptors such as CCR5 or CXCR4. These receptors interact with protein complexes, which are embedded in the viral envelope. These complexes are composed of two glycoproteins, an extracellular GP120 and a transmembrane GP41. When HIV approaches a target cell, GP120 binds to the CD4 receptors. This process is termed attachment. It promotes further binding to a co-receptor. Co-receptor binding results in a conformational change in GP120. This allows GP41 to unfold and insert its hydrophobic terminus into the cell membrane. GP41 then folds back on itself. This draws the virus towards the cell and facilitates the fusion of their membranes. The viral nucleocapsid enters the host cell and breaks open, releasing 2 viral RNA strands and 3 essential replication enzymes: integrase, protease, and reverse transcriptase. Reverse transcriptase begins the reverse transcription of viral RNA. It has 2 catalytic domains: the ribonuclease H active site and the polymerase active site. Here, single-stranded viral RNA is transcribed into an RNA-DNA double helix. Ribonuclease H breaks down the RNA. The polymerase then completes the remaining DNA strand to form a DNA double helix. Now, integrase goes into action. It cleaves a dinucleotide from each 3' end of the DNA, creating 2 sticky ends. Integrase then transfers the DNA into the cell nucleus and facilitates its integration into the host cell genome. The host cell genome now contains the genetic information of HIV. Activation of the cell induces transcription of proviral DNA into messenger RNA. The viral messenger RNA migrates into the cytoplasm, where building blocks for a new virus are synthesized. Some of them have to be processed by the viral protease. Protease cleaves longer proteins into smaller core proteins. This step is crucial to create an infectious virus. 2 viral RNA strands and the replication enzymes then come together and core proteins assemble around them, forming the capsid. This immature viral particle leaves the cell, acquiring a new envelope of host and viral proteins. The virus matures and becomes ready to infect other cells. HIV replicates billions of times per day, destroying the host's immune cells and eventually causing disease progression. Drugs which interfere with the key steps of viral replication can stop this fatal process. Entry into the host cell can be blocked by fusion inhibitors, for example. Inhibition of reverse transcriptase by nucleoside inhibitors or by non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors is part of standard antiretroviral regimens. The action of integrase can be blocked. Protease inhibitors are also part of standard antiretroviral therapy. Each blocked step in viral replication is a step towards better control of HIV disease.
Hey, what's that? Is that the new bingo chocolate cookie?
No, it's the new Julie's oatmeal cookie rich with oligo.
Oh. Oy, in love siya.
And now we're back here on the Eye on the News.
Headline number 2. Spread the word, not the virus. Another victim of HIV reveals her story.
Let's watch another interview from rape victim who got infected with HIV.
Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know that.
So how did you know you have HIV?
So one time, I really felt weak and sick. Then doctors found out that I'm infected with multiple diseases due to my poor immune system caused by HIV when I got raped.
What treatment did they give you?
For now, I'm undergoing psychological therapy and antiretroviral therapy, which helps me overcome the pain a lot.
So we learn more about HIV/AIDS disease and how the victims get through with it.
Watch out for more episodes. Log on to www.hotmama.ionthenews.com.
Thank you for watching. Good day. This is Eye on the News.